AIRDROX Inhaler Spacer is a single patient-use device comprised of a mouthpiece, anti-static chamber, one-way inhalation and exhalation valves, and a backpiece with whistle. The accessories is face mask and mouthpiece cap. AIRDROX Inhaler Spacer is designed to be used with the pressurized metered dose inhaler pMDI by collecting the medicine in the spacer body. It able to improve and maximize the efficiency of the medicine delivery to the lung. AIRDROX are made with safe material. We are proud to be CE certified, accredited with ISO 13485 and ISO 9001 certified. We also won Gold Award under Best Innovation Award category in Malaysia Technology Expo 2020. Our patented one-way valves are visible, convenience for monitoring and breath counting. One-way inhalation valve prevents the exhalation gas from entering and mixing with the medication in the spacer, while one-way exhalation valve allows complete exhale flow by between inhalation breaths. The backpiece is made of TP material, which allows for repeated usage, suitable for most pMDI available in the market. The safety whistle help patient control the inhalation speed. Whistling sound will be triggered when user breath in faster than usual. The face mask is designed ergonomically to conform with human face curvature. The mask able to reach a tight seal over the face with small pressure apply. There are two types of mask: anesthesia face mask and silicone face mask. We offer various type and size of face masks for infant, children, and adult use. When the inhaler spacer is not in use, user can cover it with the mouthpiece cap. Before start to use, remove cap and shake the inhaler. Insert the inhaler into the spacer. Then, attach the face mask close to face. Press down on the inhaler once. Slowly breathe in and breathe out for 3 to 5 times. It is recommended to clean the AIRDROX Inhaler Spacer with warm water and liquid detergent. Detach all parts of spacer including face mask. Soak in warm water for 15 minutes. Then, rinse the parts in clean water. Let the air dry the parts before reassemble.